Good morning, guys. So I feel like there's a little bit of confusion about the AP Classroom, so I decided to make a video so that I can explain it more thoroughly. You are responsible for the content of this class, whether you are taking the AP exam or not. So for this reason, I will be counting the grades that you get on the AP Classroom assignment. If you are unhappy with how you did, just like when we had a normal regular day, you can do corrections. So once everybody has completed and submitted the Unit 1 Progress FRQ, I will post a key. Using the key, you can do your corrections, just like you would how we've always been doing them, indicating the correct answer and then explaining why that answer is the correct one. You can type it up, you can take a picture, you can email me. If you did not receive credit for the Unit 1 progress check because I could not see the images that you uploaded, you still need to send me the files so that I can give you your credit correctly. Moving forward, it seems easiest if you post one image for the question. So put all of the answers to all of the questions on one document and upload it that way. If you have any further questions, please email me. If you post on Google Classroom, it does not show me, it does not notify me. So sometimes I'm not getting these until much later. If you still have any other questions, please let me know. Have a great day.